Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch movies on Plex. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start watching movies or free movies here inside Plex, well, this one is fairly easy. First things first, you want to open up Google Play Store here and you want to search for Plex. Now, just type in Plex here, install this in your device, and once you have this installed, you go and click on Open. Now, the first thing that you may notice here, it may require you to log in. So the great thing about Plex here, you could actually use your already existing Google account. So go and just log in whatever way you want. You could also use your Apple account if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so once you've logged in, this is what you should be seeing. Now, obviously, there are going to be recommended shows in here, recommended movies. But if you want to look, if you're looking for specific shows in here, you can go and click on the search bar at the very top in here. Just type in whatever movie that you may want or series that you may want to watch. And once you are able to see it or look for it, or search for it, you should be able to see this UI. So in this case, you should be able to see what time it's actually going to be featured or basically going to be shown. So as you can see right now. So if you're looking for a specific movie as well, so for example, you may want to watch this one, you go and just click on it. And you should be able to see the watch now button here, and you should be able to start watching the movies. Now, just keep in mind that not every movie is available inside Plex in here, so some of those movies would contain some ads. So, in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.